Hello everyone. Today's date is 9 March 2022. Today's topic is life journey of the APJ Abdul Kalam. Uh, he was an Indian uh, air space scientist who served as the 11th president of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born and in Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu and studies physics and aerospace. He spent the next four and scientist and science administrator, mainly at the defense research and development and Indian Research Organization, means ISRO, and was intimately involved in India's civilian space programs and military missile development efforts. He thus came to now know as the Missile Man of India for his work and development of ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology. He also played a organizational technique and political role in India nuclear tests in 1998. The first since the original nuclear test by India in 1974. Kalam was elected as the 11th President of India in 2002 with the support of both the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party and the opposition India National Congress, widely referred to the people presidents. He returned to the civilian life of education, writing and public service after single term. He was recipient of several prestige awards, including the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute Management. Kalam collapsed and died from an arrest of 27 July 2015, aged at 83,000, including national level. Attend the ceremony held in his hometown of Rameshwaram, where he was burned with full state honors. The early life of education. Abdul Bakir Jain Dalim is the Abdul Kalam, his full name, and was born on 15 October 1931 to Tamil Muslim family in the pilgrimage center of Rameshwaram. Um, then the Madras presidency, and now in the state of Tamil Nadu. Um, this is all about the Abdul Kalam journey. Thank you.